Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of post snaps not working. To know how to fix or how to solve post snap, you can't post your snap on Snapchat. You should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Snapchat and you click. Then this list of app unfold, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data. And in the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.